Welcome to Get Paid with Apps, where we review applications to help you make a little bit of money on the side. Today we're going to be talking about PaidWork, which has one of the easiest interfaces to navigate out of all of the apps that I've reviewed. All right, let's open the PaidWork app, and you'll see that I've got $1.61 earned in there right now in US dollars. If you open that up, you can see all of these other currencies listed here where the app is available. So it's all over the place. Good chances are it will work where you live. Now we go to the earn section, and this has like one of the best layouts out of any app that I've ever seen. It's just so simple and amazing. It's play games, fill out surveys, watch videos, Microtasks, online shopping, or scan receipts. So take note, other apps out there. This is just such a clean way to organize how your app works. So the first thing we'll check out, we'll click on the play games, and all it's going to do is take you to just different offer walls that have games available on them. So it's not really a big time gaming app, but there's so many out there, so who cares? And then you've got surveys that you can fill out, and then my favorite section is watch videos. So you just click that watch video tab, an ad will come up, and then once the ad is over, you close the ad and you get paid. For that ad, I got paid 2.7 cents for that little ad. I mean, it's amazing. So I hit watch videos again, the exact same ad comes up. This time it's going to pay me 2.3 cents for that ad. So it goes down a little bit. And now here's the third ad that we're trying, and this one's going to pay us 1.9 cents. And then you can just hammer these videos all day long. An ad will just keep coming up. Now you'll notice that they will start to decrease in value. So we went from 2.7 cents to 1.9 cents. And then they're eventually going to get down into fractions of pennies, but you can still keep playing them. If you let it cool down a little bit for a few hours and then come back, the rate will go back up, or you wait until the next day. But what I like to do is if I'm just sitting on the couch watching something, I'll just keep hitting that watch videos button and it'll keep paying. So it's my preferred way to earn on this app. You can find a few apps like this that'll let you watch those videos or ads like this, but they'll usually cap you off at 5 or 10 or 20, and then it'll just shut off completely. This thing just doesn't have a cap. You can just keep hitting watch videos. And then there's Microtasks, which I haven't done any of these, but you can write some articles or you can make a video. But by taking the time to do all that, I don't know if it pays all that well when you can honestly just hit that watch videos tab that we just looked at. Might be the easier way to do it, but if you're interested, you can follow their profiles and get paid a little bit of extra money and whatnot. There's just more options to earn. And then there's an online shopping tab, but that's just a couple other offer walls as well that you can check out if you want to, if you're doing some online shopping. And then there's a scan receipts tab that's not live yet, so you can join the wait list if you're in the United States, Canada, or the United Kingdom. As far as payment goes, they'll pay you to your bank account or to your PayPal account, but keep in mind you need a minimum of $20 before you can withdraw. And then there is a referral program. Get rewarded for sharing. You and your friend each get $10 when they complete their first withdrawal. So, hey, that's great. You earn that $20. You use my code. You cash out. You get an extra $10. I get a little $10. Everybody gets $10. It's just the way to do things. So think about using my code if you would. It's in your best interest as well. You will be able to find that link in the description. Thank you very much. That's going to do it for PaidWork. If you're interested in more apps, just go to getpaidwithapps.com and you'll find a whole bunch of ways to start earning with right away. We'll see you in the next video.